Namaste and good morning my dear viewers and my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. Today is Thursday and I am here to welcome you all. I am Radha Joshi, your grade 9 English teacher. Now, today I am going to teach you a debate of unit 5. Let us see if someone plans or if the local government plans to open a cinema in your locality, then what would be your views? In this chapter or in this section that I have taken from unit 5, a local government or the government has planned to open a cinema in one of the newly developed towns of far western part of Nepal. And it has sent some surveyors to collect the opinions of the people for this proposal, for this plan. So, there are 4 people who are interviewed and let us see who are they and what are their opinions. Before that, let me ask you a question. If you think that a cinema is going to be opened in your locality, what would be your reactions? Obviously, some would be delighted. They would love to have a cinema in their locality. But there are some people or there would be some people who would think that a cinema would be a nuisance for the children or being a cinema in the locality would spoil the children. So, this argument, these 2 issues or these 2 sides in and against the favor or the motion of opening a cinema is what is called a debate. So, I hope that you understood what is a debate. A debate is a discussion in simple language or argument that is discussed with their views. So, let us talk about or let us see what are the people's views on opening of the cinema. So, let us have a look at the slides. So, let us see the title unit 5 opening a cinema local people's views. This is what is there in your text. Please have a look. An entertainment related company plans to open a cinema in a newly developed town in the far western part of Nepal. So, you can understand, I hope that you have understood that what has the entertainment related company planned to do? It has planned to open a cinema where in a newly developed town in the far western part of Nepal. The company sent some of their surveyors to take the people's views. So, you may guess the meaning of surveyors. What can surveyors be? So, of course, you have understood with this line that surveyors surely are people. So, actually surveyors are the people who are asked to examine or investigate something to take people's views here. Okay. So, here some surveyors are sent by the government to know about the people's views, whether it would be a good thing to open the cinema in that area or whether it would be a not so good proposal. The views collected express the likely results of the cinema. So, first person that they interviewed was Harina Ramjali from Parigaon. Surely the cinema will spoil our children. They are bound to take money from homes and go to the cinema instead of school. The schools are unlikely to be able to control the children. The proposed cinema may be a big nuisance for parents with low income. So, with this view, what do you think? Is she supporting the plan or is she not favoring? So, of course, with this I think you have guessed that she is against the motion. She does not like the idea of a cinema being opened in a town. So, here she is saying her reasons are like the children will take money, are bound means compulsory, they will necessarily take the money from home and would go to the cinema hall instead of school. So, she thinks that it is a nuisance, it will not be good for the children. She says that it will spoil the children and the parents who are from a very low income group will surely have a headache or it would be a nuisance for them to control the students. The schools will not be able to control the students. The proposed cinema may be a big nuisance for parents with low income. So, this word nuisance please you have to take in mind because we are going to learn ways with words later in the tutorial. Then next person to be interviewed is Jayamati Parki from Laldunga. I am delighted by the new proposal, she says. The cinema is to know about the new proposal. The cinema is certain to generate jobs in our area. People are likely to learn modern trends through entertainment. The cinema may bring new and suitable films for our locality. People might get to know lots of things about cleanliness, education, human rights, safe motherhood and women empowerment. So, if you look at the view of Jayamati Parki, you can easily understand that she is supporting the idea of the cinema hall being opened in the newly developed town. So, here there are two people, one is against the motion and one is in favor of the motion. So, the person who is against the motion Harina Ramjali, okay, she is against the motion and she says that this will this surely is going to spoil our children, they are bound to take money, go to the cinema hall instead of going to the school. So, schools may not be able to control the students, and then Jayamati Park is very happy. Says that I am very delighted to know about this proposal because this proposal, this cinema is going to generate jobs. So, opening a cinema is an opportunity to generate jobs for the locality, people would be getting jobs. So, Jayamati Parki is in favor of opening of the cinema, in favor of the idea of opening of the cinema. So, here you have already learned about two people and their two views who are opposed to one another, one is against and one is in favor of this proposal. So, let us see what others people are saying to this proposal. So, Bhandev Bhatta is the third person who is being interviewed and by the surveyors. So, Bhandev Bhatta lives in Chudeli Rupal and he says only the FM radio kills half of our working time, the cinema is certain to consume the whole. All are likely to be crazy about the films once they see one. Where to get the money for them all? Single bread earners like me are sure to have very hard times. Besides, people might turn disinterested in their local cultures and melas. The new generation may forget our age-long traditions and culture. Does anybody want to buy my land and house? I will migrate somewhere else. So, you can say Bhandev Bhatta by looking at his views, I think you have already understood that he is not in favor of this idea. He is saying at the last, okay, he is saying I would really sell my land and go somewhere else, I want to migrate somewhere else. His first reason is people are listening to the radio half of the time. What will happen if a cinema is opened in that locality? So, of course, he says that it will take full time, it would consume all of their time. People would look one cinema or one film and they would crave for more, they would go to the cinema hall for more, where to get money for all these entertainment or pleasure. So, he says that it is not a good idea. And single bread earners, please look at this collocation word bread earners. Okay, what do you mean by bread earners? Bread earners are people who earn money, single breadwinner who earn money for the whole household. So, here he says that single bread earner like me, it will be a very great challenge to give the money or to provide money for such an entertainment. So, he says that where to bring money, people will get disinterested. The second reason that he points out is that the young people or people might get disinterested towards the local cultures and melas, which are a form of entertainment in the far western part of Nepal. So, he says that the people would be not so much longer, will not be interested in going after fairs and melas to watch the beautiful performance that are presented there. So, he says that people instead would go to the cinema. So, I think that it is a threat to our culture too. And at last he really wants to sell his land and go somewhere else. Then the next person on the list is Jagannath Bohra. So, he says the cinema is likely to bring both good and bad changes in the society. So, you can look at his view, he is saying that both, he is having a balanced view, he is neither against nor in favor of this. So, the cinema is likely to bring both good and bad changes in the society. Our children may not give much time to their studies. Young people will probably adopt the bad culture of selfishness, wiliness and violence as found in the movies, but at the same time they will get to know lots of new and good things. The local authorities might not be able to systemize how often one can go to the cinema. anyway you can't prevent something that is taken as a sign of development. So, Jagannath Bohra is having a balanced view. He is saying that it is good, it has both aspects, good and both bad aspects. On the one hand, children may adopt or use or try to choose cultures, bad cultures of selfishness, wiliness and violence. I hope you understand the meanings of these three words. Selfishness, you already know, people who are self-centered, only think about themselves. Wiliness is the art of cheating others, in simple words, and violence, you know, are found that are found in the movies. So, people may choose to follow that culture, but at the same time they will also know a lot about few good things also. These good things include as we have already learned, cleanliness, education, women empowerment and such things. So, he says that if the local authorities do not systemize it, then it would be a problem. Otherwise, he says the local authorities might not be able to systemize. So, he says that the people would be too many to control. So, maybe they would not be able to systemize how often the cinema should be changed or how many people would be there, because as soon as people find that a cinema is going to be open in their localities, then there would be a crowd, sure. So, he says that maybe the local government may not be able to systemize this, but otherwise you cannot prevent something that is a sign of development. So, in other words, cinema is taken as a sign of development. So, I hope that you have understood all the four views. Some are in favor of opening the cinema, some are against this idea. So, let us see and learn the chapter in more detail, the text in more detail. So, let us see. First, difficult words. I have prepared a slide with some of the difficult words that we have just encountered while reading the lesson. The first word that I have chosen is nuisance. So, what is the meaning of nuisance, dear children? Causing inconvenience or annoyance. Of course, sometimes who are the elder brothers really think that their younger sisters are a nuisance for them. So, nuisance are causing inconvenience or annoyance. Proposal, a plan or a suggestion. Bread earner, breadwinner or a sole income earner. So, you know how to attempt these type of questions in the exam. The meanings would come and you have to find the word from the text. So, breadwinner or sole income earner would be bread earners. Adopt means follow or choose to take. Wiliness, deceitful cleverness or shrewdness. I hope you understand, wiliness is craftiness also, thing where quality or negative quality where you cheat others, where you learn the craft of being of cheating others. Then surveyor are the people or a person who investigates or examines something. So, here we have learned that surveyors were sent to learn about the people's views on opening of the cinema, whether they would like this idea, whether they are against this proposal. So, what is a proposal? A proposal is a plan, a proposed plan which if people support it could be implemented. So, once again let us look at words: nuisance, causing inconvenience or annoyance, proposal, a plan or a suggestion, bread earner, a breadwinner or sole income earner, adopt, follow or choose to take. We should not adopt to bad cultures or we should not adopt bad cultures. Wiliness, deceitful cleverness or shrewdness. Surveyor, a person who investigates or examines something. So, I hope you have taken the screenshot of this, because these words are going to help you while going through the text again. So, let us see some more exercises to learn. This is taken from your text. So, the first question was about choose the best answer or choose the best alternative. I should say choose the correct alternative. The word spoil as used in the sentence means, what does spoil mean here? Do you think it means spending much time or form bad effect on the character or behavior, or improve? What do you say? I think you already have guessed the answer. It means the word spoil as used in the sentence means form bad effect or character or be on character or behavior. So, I. Okay, I is the correct option here. So, the word spoil as used in the sentence means form bad effect on character or behavior. Now, let us look at the second question. The to generate jobs also means to dash jobs. Give, create or simplify. Of course, to generate jobs also means to give jobs is not so correct. Create jobs, I think that is the correct option. Simplify is out of the question here, it is not the correct answer, you obviously have guessed already I think. To generate jobs also means to create jobs. Something that causes troubles is described as a, I think you know already, nuisance. We have just learnt it. So, I hope you still remember the meaning. Then the next word is a proposal is dash plan, a proposed plan. Wiliness is the cleverness at cheating others. Okay, the third option. So, this was in the text. I hope you did not find any difficulty in finding the answers of this. Now, let us go move on to the exercises that I have prepared for you. So, look at the first one. Let us say whether these statements are true or false. Look at the first statement. The entertainment company sent some surveyors to force local people to open a cinema in town. So, just tell me what your answer would be. At a glance you would think yes, they sent some surveyors, you would say true, but look at the question carefully. The entertainment company sent some surveyors is true to force local people to open a cinema in town. Are they forcing or gathering people's opinion? That is the hook here. So, what you have to say, the entertainment company sent some surveyors to force local people to open a cinema in town is obviously the false answer, because they are not forcing people to open a cinema, they are just collecting and gathering their views. So, this sentence becomes a false statement. Okay. Once again, the entertainment company sent some surveyors to force local people to open a cinema in town is false. Harina is not positive about opening a cinema in the town. Let us see whether Harina supports or does not support. Let us have a look at the text. Let us look what she is saying. Harina Ramjali. Is she supporting? Surely the cinema will spoil our children. So, what do you say? Okay, please have the habit of looking at the text while attempting the questions, because that is how it should be. So, Harina is not positive, it is true, she is not positive about opening a cinema in the town, because the first sentence itself says, itself presents her disagreement. Then opening a cinema hall is good for the people with low income. Obviously, I think without looking at the text you already know that it is false. People with low income will find it difficult to provide money for going to the to watch films in the cinema theatre. So, opening a cinema hall is good for the people with low income is obviously a false answer. The new generation may adopt the bad culture of selfishness and wiliness from the movies. Okay, yes, true. If you look at Jagannath Bohra's viewpoint, she says maybe they may adopt to bad cultures, but you cannot stop something that is a sign of development. So, here the new generation may adopt the bad culture of selfishness and wiliness from the movies is true. So, let us once again discuss in a rush. The entertainment company sent some surveyors to force local people to open a cinema in town is false. Harina is not positive about opening a cinema in the town, true. Opening a cinema hall is good for the people with low income, false. The new generation may adopt the bad culture of selfishness and wiliness from the movies, true. Now, let us do some simple fill in the blanks. First question or the first statement, have a look. The town is dash in the far western part of Nepal. So, if you see the sentence above the views, you will see that it is a newly developed town. So, what should be the answer there? The town is newly developed in the far western part of Nepal. Jaymati Parki is very happy because she thinks that the cinema will certainly create, we have just done that, jobs. Bhandev Bhatta wants to dash his land and house because he wants to migrate somewhere else. So, what should be there? Bhandev Bhatta wants to sell his land. He says here, if you look at the if you look at the view of Bhandev Bhatta, does anybody want to buy my land and house? I will migrate somewhere else. You cannot write buy, because he is wanting to sell his land. Okay. So, what is his intention here? His intention is to sell his land. So, what should be the answer over there? He wants to sell his land and house because he wants to migrate somewhere else. And the next one, cinema can be taken as a sign of development. Okay. Once again, cinema can be taken as a sign of development. You can have a look at Jagannath Bohra's last sentence of his view. Anyway, you can't prevent something that is taken as a sign of development. So, cinema can be taken as a sign of development. So, I hope that you have understood the questions that I have prepared for you. These are some very simple questions that may help you to understand the text in a better way. So, once again, the town is newly developed in the far western part of Nepal. Jayamati Parki is very happy because she thinks that the cinema will certainly create job opportunities. Bhande Bhatta wants to sell his land and house because he wants to migrate somewhere else. Cinema can be taken as a sign of development. So, I hope that you have understood the questions, how to write the answers of these questions. Now, let us move on to the wrap up section, the last section of our tutorial or of our class. Answer the following questions. There are 3 simple questions that I have given to you, presented for you. Please let us have a look. What do people learn from cinema according to Jayamati Parki? So, let us have a look. Look at the question and let us have a look at Jayamati's views. What are the good things she says that people would be learning? So, what do people learn from cinema according to Jayamati Parki? So, let us see what she wants to say. Jayamati Parki says that people may learn a lot of things about cleanliness, education, human rights, safe motherhood and women empowerment. So, you can write any 3 of this. So, Jayamati Parki thinks that people would be learning about cleanliness, education, human rights, safe motherhood and women empowerment. If you write all these also okay, if you write any 2 also, any 3 also will do. So, once again, what do people learn? People learn about cleanliness, safe motherhood, women empowerment according to Jayamati Parki. What may the new generation forget? Yes, if you see whose view, you will know. What may the new generation forget? Okay. If you see Bhande Bhatta's view, what does he say? People might turn disinterested in their local cultures and melas. So, what may people forget? People may forget their age-long traditions and culture. The new generations may forget. If you see the line, the new generations may forget our age-long traditions and culture. So, please have the habit of scanning and skimming the text while attempting your scene text. Okay, student, you have to understand where that word is. Like forget was the word, you have to scan in the text and then skim the text. You have to see where that word is and then read the whole sentence in order to find the answer, because remember each of the questions carry 1 mark. So, at least you have to get that whole 1 mark. So, here the new generation may forget our age-long traditions of age-long tradition and culture. Once again, what may people forget? The people may forget age-long traditions and culture. Their age-long traditions and culture. Okay. Then please remember, what may the new generation forget? I have included the new generation may forget, because normally the students write they. Do not ever start your answer with a pronoun. It is better to explain what is that they. Okay. So, here they means the people of the new generation or the new generation may forget the age long traditions and cultures. What are some of the positive things that people might get to know through cinemas? Of course, we have already learned from Jayamati Parki's views, safe motherhood and cleanliness and education. So, these are some of the questions that I have presented for you. I hope that you have understood this lesson in detail, and it has really helped you to go to learn the text in depth, and I hope you enjoyed the class, because I was very happy teaching you all. I am really very happy in teaching you all, and I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for making this Metro Parsons long distance teaching learning program a success, because your viewership and matters a lot. It means that you are watching us, and please remember, stay safe and keep learning. Do not forget to learn ever. And with this note, I want to complete my class for today. Once again, please stay safe and keep learning. Tomorrow, we will meet again with another portion of Unit 5. Till then, see you. Bye bye everyone.